back to my channel. So I'm getting ready to go to drag queen bingo tonight with my friends, y'all. We have been trying to go here for like 2 years, and then COVID hit when we were supposed to go last year, and we can finally go now. So I'm getting ready to put this unit on. So I have a unit from Wiggins. This is what it looks like. It's a deep wave unit, super long. But this is what it looks like, and this is my first time getting a unit from them. So like always, if you had any experiences with them, go ahead and drop a comment down below for us so we can get the deets on it. But so far, first impression, the hair feels really nice and soft, and I see some gray hairs in here. I don't know about y'all, but for years I have used that as like a clue that it's not like over processed or dyed or anything like that. So I always think that that's a good thing. So yes, definitely a few grays in here, and the lace also looks good, if you guys can tell. And because this is my first time, I will take it outside and show you guys what it looks like. The only thing that I did notice is the knots are not bleached, and it is 2021. Like, bleach these knots. So this is what the unit looks like. It's a 13 by 4, so 13 inches ear to ear, 4 going back. And another thing that I did notice is they give you like the full 4 inches all the way throughout the front of the unit. You know, like the units now, for some reason, a lot of them give you like an inch and a half on the side, and then you get like the 4 inches in the middle. But this is completely 4 inches from ear to ear. So if you wanted to do like twisties and stuff on the sides, you can do that with this unit. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and bleach these knots, and I definitely need to pluck it a bit more too. This is it like fresh out of the box, so they pluck it a little bit, but so I let the bleach sit for about 20 minutes like always, and it didn't really take the first time, so I went ahead and did it one more time, and honestly it still didn't take how I wanted it to take, but we're just gonna work with it.
Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down, 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 down. She makes me crazy.
So these are the knots after bleaching it twice. So it took more so on the roots than the actual knots. I'm not sure why. I made sure they were fully covered. But this is what the hairline looks like just from washing it out without plucking it. And now I'm going to go in and I'm going to pluck it. If you guys want a detailed plucking video, I'll go ahead and leave one down below, and it should pop up at the top.
Anything but maybe I let her do anything, let her play me. She makes me go another round.
So now that the unit is plucked, I'm going to go ahead and set my parting. I decided on the middle part, and I'm going to go in with my Perfect Line Grid Eraser in tan.
Now you're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down. Yeah. What are you doing to me now? You found a way to me somehow. Now you're all I ever dreamed.
So after removing the lace, I'm using Ivy's method to camouflage my edges, and then I'm going to go ahead and make sure the unit is fitting nice and good and see if I need to make any alterations.
Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? That's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling.
I hate having long wet hair on me, but to still get that look, I'm just going to go in with the Lotta Body Mousse. This gives it like a nice shine. Then I'm going to go in with a little bit of the pattern jojoba oil, and this is just going to keep that little shine throughout the day.
What can I do? What can I say? Please make it undone. What you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me, what you did to me. I can't believe that anyone could make me feel this way. No, I can't believe I will let you get away with this again. So don't you tell me like that, you're not excuse, so come back. It's underwater. Now don't you hurt me like that. I'm ready for your attack. It's underwater. It's underwater.
So I'm adding a little bit of foundation powder to my hairline, and then I'm going to go on just like the edges with some bronzer, just because your forehead is naturally darker and the foundation is the color of your skin. So I just like to do this just to get rid of like kind of that little cast sometimes at a show. And then I'm going to go in on my parting area just to clean it up and to shorten it, or not shorten it, but get it to be a little bit more narrow. I just take whatever is left over on my eyebrow brush, and I just go ahead and clean up the part. And that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. The hair on this unit was so gorgeous and so thick, and the lace blended so well. So I think they have it listed as HD lace. I personally wouldn't say it was HD lace. I think it feels and looks a little bit more like Swiss lace, but it still blended really well, as you guys can see in like the shadow light and in the natural daylight. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one.